Have you been waiting for your jade plant to become a thick, bushy beauty, only to watch it grow tall, skinny, or barely grow at all? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many jade plant owners unknowingly make a few common mistakes that prevent their plants from becoming full and healthy. The exciting part is that every one of these problems has a simple solution. In today's video, I'm revealing the 7 biggest reasons your jade plant isn't growing bushier and thicker, along with easy care tips that experienced growers swear by. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share one bonus trick that can dramatically improve your jade plant's shape and encourage beautiful, balanced growth over time. Your jade plant isn't getting enough sunlight. The most common reason a jade plant becomes tall and sparse instead of thick and bushy is insufficient sunlight. Jade plants are sun-loving succulents that naturally thrive in bright conditions. When they don't receive enough light, they stretch toward the nearest light source, producing long, weak stems with fewer leaves. This condition, called legginess, makes the plant appear unhealthy and thin. To encourage compact growth, place your jade plant where it receives at least 4 to 6 hours of direct morning sunlight, or 6 to 8 hours of bright, indirect light each day. If your home doesn't receive enough natural light, a quality LED grow light can make a huge difference. Consistent lighting encourages shorter internodes, stronger stems, and fuller branching, giving your jade plant the thick, tree-like appearance every plant lover wants. Two, you're watering too often. One of the biggest mistakes people make is watering their jade plant too frequently. Since jade plants are succulents, their thick leaves store plenty of water, allowing them to survive long periods between waterings. Constantly moist soil deprives the roots of oxygen and can eventually lead to root rot, slowing growth and preventing new branches from forming. Instead of following a fixed watering schedule, always check the soil before watering. Wait until the top 2 to 3 inches of soil feel completely dry. Then water thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. This deep watering method encourages healthier root development. Strong roots support thicker stems, larger leaves, and the vigorous branching needed to create a fuller, bushier jade plant. Three, poor soil is holding it back. Even if you're watering correctly, your jade plant may still struggle if it's growing in dense, heavy soil. Compact soil traps moisture around the roots, reducing airflow and creating conditions where root rot can develop. Jade plants perform best in fast-draining succulent soil that allows excess water to escape quickly. A quality mix made with potting soil, P, perlite, coarse sand, or pumice provides excellent drainage while still supplying enough moisture for healthy growth. The loose texture allows oxygen to reach the roots, helping them stay healthy and active. Healthy roots are the foundation of a thriving jade plant. Once the root system is strong, you'll begin to notice thicker branches, sturdier stems, healthier leaves, and a much fuller overall appearance. 4. You never prune your jade plant. If you've never pruned your jade plant, you're missing one of the easiest ways to encourage bushier growth. Pruning removes the growing tip, signaling the plant to produce multiple new branches just below the cut, instead of continuing upward on a single stem. This natural response creates a fuller, denser plant over time. The ideal time to prune is during spring or early summer, when the plant is actively growing. Always use clean, sharp pruning shears and make your cut just above a leaf node. Within a few weeks, you'll often notice 2 or more new branches forming from the same location. Regular pruning also helps maintain an attractive shape, improves airflow through the plant, and encourages the development of a thicker trunk as the jade plant matures. Five, your plant needs more nutrients. Although jade plants don't require heavy feeding, they still need nutrients to support healthy growth. If your plant has remained in the same pot for several years, the soil may no longer contain enough nutrients to fuel new branches and thicker stems. During the active growing season in spring and summer, feed your jade plant every 4 to 6 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. This provides essential nutrients without overwhelming the roots. Avoid overfeeding, as excessive fertilizer can burn the roots, damage the leaves, and actually slow growth. A gentle, consistent feeding routine provides the energy your jade plant needs to produce lush green leaves, stronger branches, thicker stems, and steady, healthy development throughout the growing season. Six, the pot size isn't right. The size of your jade plant's pot plays a much bigger role than many gardeners realize. A pot that's too large holds excess moisture for longer periods, increasing the risk of root rot because the soil stays wet too long. On the other hand, a pot that's too small can become root-bound, limiting water and nutrient uptake while restricting growth. Choose a container that is only 1 to 2 inches wider than the current root ball. This gives the roots enough room to expand without holding unnecessary moisture. Terracotta pots are especially beneficial because they naturally absorb excess water and allow the soil to dry more quickly than plastic containers. Most importantly, always choose a pot with drainage holes to keep the root system healthy. Seven, you're expecting results too quickly. Patience is one of the most important secrets to growing a beautiful jade plant. Unlike many fast-growing houseplants, jade plants naturally grow at a slower pace, especially when kept indoors. Developing a thick trunk, sturdy branches, and dense foliage takes months or even years. Many plant owners become discouraged and constantly change their care routine before the plant has enough time to respond. Instead, focus on providing consistent care by giving your jade plant plenty of sunlight, watering only when the soil dries out, using well-draining soil, feeding during the growing season, and pruning occasionally. Over time, these simple habits work together to produce stronger branches, thicker stems, healthier leaves, and the lush, bushy jade plant you've been hoping to grow. Here's a simple trick that many experienced jade plant growers use to create a perfectly balanced plant. Rotate your jade plant about 90 degrees once every week. Since plants naturally grow toward their strongest light source, leaving the pot in one position often causes one side to become much fuller than the other. Regular rotation exposes every side of the plant to equal light, encouraging even growth and better symmetry. This simple habit helps prevent leaning and creates a more attractive, tree-like appearance. When combined with proper sunlight, careful watering, occasional pruning, healthy soil, and regular feeding, weekly rotation can make a remarkable difference in the overall shape, fullness, and beauty of your jade plant over time. Now you know the 7 biggest reasons your jade plant isn't growing bushier and thicker. The good news is that most of these problems are easy to fix with just a few simple changes to your care routine. Remember, growing a beautiful jade plant isn't about complicated techniques. It's about consistency, patience, and giving your plant exactly what it needs. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest indoor gardening tips. We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us which jade plant problem you're dealing with, or share your own growing success story. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy growing.